Good morning, children. How you all are? Hope you are fine. Okay. In the previous class, we completed 3.4. Now I am going to start exercise 3.5. It's about the divisibility rules. Totally about divisibility rules. See the divisibility of the numbers. So they given. Check the divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12. And 50. Put a tick mark for divisible and a cross mark for not divisible. This is the question. First number 6225. 6225. If you observe this number, what type of number it is? 6225. Is it even or odd? It's an even. It's not an even number. So it is an odd number. So it doesn't divisible by 2. It was not divisible by 2. It was not divisible by 2. Next one. 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3, children? Sum of the digits. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Sum of the digits. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So give tick mark for 3. Next 4. It's not an even. And last two digits are not divisible by 4. So it also not divisible. Next 5. Last digit is 5. So it is divisible by 5. Next, divisibility rule by 6. If it divisible by 2 and 3, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, is it divisible by 2 and 3? It divisible by only by 3, not by 2. So not possible for 6 also. Next, 9. What is the divisibility rule for 9? Then the sum of the digits. Add those digits 6 plus 2 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is not in 9 table. So it doesn't divisible by 9. Next, divisibility by 10. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 5, here 2 not divisible now, so it is not divisible by 10 also. Next, 12. If a number is divisible by 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Check the divisibility of 3 and 4, children. Here both are not given tick mark, that means both are not divisible. One of the number only divisible, so this one 12 also wrong. Next, 15. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then it is divisible by 2. 15. Both the 3 and 5 means it's both are tick marks only, so both are divisible by 15 also. See the next number, children. 4644. 4644. What type of number it is? It is not an even number. It is an even number, not an odd number. As an even number means it is divisible by 2 strictly. Yes. Next, what is the divisibility rule for 3? Sum of the digits. What are sum of 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 4, 20, 14 plus 4, 20, 20 not 18. 18 is in 3 tables, so it is divisible by 3 also. Next, next one, 44. Is it divisible by 4? 44 is divisible by 4? Yes. Last two digits are divisible by 4 means the number is divisible by 4. Yes. Next, divisible by 5. Last digit is 5 means then only it is divisible by 5. No. So it's not possible for 5. Next, 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. These two are tick marks only. So this number is divisible by 6 also. 9. Sum of the digits. If we add what you will get? 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. 18 is in 9 table, so it is divisible by 9. Next, 10. Last digit. If you observe last digit is 0 means then it is divisible by 10. Not divisible by 10. Next one. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then it is divisible by 12. It is divisible by both 3 and 4 now, so it is divisible by 12 also. 2 and 15. If it is divisible by 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Here 5 not possible na? So this number also not divisible by 15. See the next one. 6060. What type of number it is? It is an even number. So it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? Check the sum of the digits. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 is divisible by 3. 24 is divisible by 3. Next. Is it divisible by 4? Last two digits. 60. 60 divided by 4. 4 ones. 2 will be 4 5 is 20. So it is divisible by 4. So tick 4. 5. What is the divisibility rule for 5? Last digit is 0 or 5. Here 0 is there, na? Then it is divisible by 5. What about the divisibility of 6? 6 means it should be divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is divisible, na? So then it is divisible by 6. Next, what is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of the digits. What are the sum of the digits? 24 we got. 24 is in 9 table? No more, so it's not possible for 9. Next, 10. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 5, then it is divisible by 10. Yes. Next, 12. What is the divisibility rule for 12? If a number is divisible by 3 and 4, then it is divisible by 12. 3 and 4 both tick marks only, na? So it is divisible by 12 also. Next, 15. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then it is divisible by 15. Yes, it is divisible by 15. 4, 12. Series number 7,26,345. 7,26,354. See, 54. It is an even number, so then it is divisible by 2. It is an even number now, so it is divisible by 2. Next, 3. Sum of the digits. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 9, 27. It is in 3 table. Same like 9 also. 9 is having the same rule as sum of the digits. 27 is 9 table also. Give tick mark for 9 also. Okay, next. 4, last 2 digits, 54. Is it divisible by 4? Once check. 4 ones, 4 remainder 4. 14. 14 not possible in 4 table, so it's not divisible by 4. This is not divisible by 4. See, 5. Last digit is 5 or 0. No, not there, so not divisible. 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. 2 and 3 both are tick marks, na? So then it is divisible by 6. Next, 10. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 5, 5 has cross mark, so it is not possible for 10 also. 12, 3 and 4, not possible. 1 tick and 1 cross. Next, 15, 3 and 5. 5 also not possible, na? So, not possible. Last number. It is not an even number, so it doesn't divisible by 2. It's not even number means it is not divisible by 2. Sum of the digits once we have to check. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 5, 23, 23 plus 7, 30. Sum. 30 sum means it is divisible by 3. Next 4, 95. It's an odd number, so not possible for 4 also. 5. Last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. 6. Is it divisible by 6? 2 and 3 means that it is divisible by 6. But here 2 not possible, not divisible by 6. Next 9. Sum of the digits. 30 is in 9 table, no, not there. So cross mark. 10. Last digit is 0 means that it is divisible by 10. Here last digit is not 0. So not possible. 12. If it is divisible by 3 and 4. If it is divisible by 3 and 4. Here 4 not possible, so then it is not divisible by 12. Last one 3 and 5. If a number is divisible by 3 and 5, then it is divisible by 15. Yes, it is divisible by 15. Like that we get. Okay children, see the next one number. Check if the first number is divisible by the second number. Basing on the co-prime factor rule, we have to decide which numbers are divisible, that numbers. Okay, see that numbers which was given here. 63405 divisible by 18. Co-prime factors of 18 are 2 and 9. 2 and 9. They only given this one data. Second one divisible by 24. Divisible by, what are the co-prime factors of 24 are, they given 1 clue, 3 and something. Co-prime means the number should have only one as the common factor. 24 in 3 table, 3 8s, 24. Okay, see the third one. By 30, divisible by 30. Co-prime factors of 30 are, what are co-prime factors of 30? Dash and dash. Co-prime factors of 30, 3 tens, 30. 3 tens, 30. Fourth one, by divisible by 40. What are co-prime factors of 40? 4 tens 40, but 4 and 10 are not co-prime. So 40 factors are 5 and 8. 5 8s 40. Fifth one, divisible by 36. Co-prime factors of 36 are, what are co-prime factors of 36 children? 36 factors, 2, 16, 2 18s, 2 and 18 are not co-prime. Yes, na? So go to the next one. 4 9s, 4 and 9 are co-prime. There is no common factor for 4 and 9. Yes, na? So 4 and 9 are co-prime factors of 36. See the, fill in the blanks. A number is divisible by 24. A number is divisible by 24, then it is divisible by and dash. If a number is divisible by 24 means it is divisible by 2, 3, 4. What are factors of this? 6, 8 and 1. Like that, a number is divisible by 30. It also divisible by 30 factors. 2, 3, 5, next 6, 10, 15 are the factors of 30. Next, if a number is divisible by 50, then it is divisible by, if a number is divisible by 50, then it is divisible by 2, 5, 10 and 25. So same, like a number is divisible by 25, then it is divisible by 5. See the, choose the correct answer, Vanamma. First one, if a number is divisible by 6, it must be divisible by 12. If a number is divisible by 6 means it must be divisible by 12. If a number is divisible by 6 means it must be divisible by 12. That means a number is divisible by 6 means it will be divisible by 12. We cannot say it. So it is a false statement. Divisible by 6 means it should be divisible by, must be divisible by 12. It's false statement. Second one, a number is divisible by 6, it must be divisible by 3. It is a factor of 3. 6 is 3 is a factor of 6, so it is possible. Third one, a number is divisible by 100, it must be divisible by 25. 25 is the factor of 100, so it's a true statement. Fourth one, if a number is divisible by 256 is even. 256 is an even number, na? So it must be divisible by 2. The factors are also divisible by 2. It's also a true statement. Fifth one, 11 and 6 are co-prime numbers. 11 and 6 are co-prime numbers. If a number is divisible by both 11 and 6, then it is divisible by 66. Then it is divisible by 66. If a number is divisible, if 11 and 6 are co-prime numbers, if a number is divisible by 11 and 6, then it is divisible by 66. How we can say this number is divisible by 11 and 6? Because 11 and 6 are co-prime factors of 66. So it is the true statement. Okay, children. Now exercise 3.5 completed. In the next class we will continue method 6. Okay, children. Till then, goodbye.